So my car has been running just fine ever since I changed the spark plugs. Guys, look at this. What is this? Cylinder 1 misfire, 2, 3, and 4? Wow. Like when I drive, by the way, this happened while I was driving. Like oh my god, this is so bad. Oh my god. Yeah, so I am back home. That just keeps flashing. I can show you better now of all the codes I have. Cylinder 1 misfire detected, cylinder 2 misfire detected, cylinder 3 misfire detected, cylinder 4 misfire detected, PFFFE and PFFFF. So I don't really know what those two last codes mean. I'm pretty sure it just means misfire because all of them are misfiring. Yeah, I know some of you guys commented coil packs as well. I'm pretty sure it's because of coil packs. Well, that's what I'm hoping. It's just the coil packs. I'm definitely gonna have to do this tomorrow though. It's pretty weird how my spark plugs and everything were fine for like a whole 2 days. Like I basically did a couple pulls, and after just 2 pulls, I got 1 misfire and I immediately just stopped, you know, and I parked on the side of the road and just checked it all out, and I wasn't leaking any fluids or anything. I'm not burning any oil. My car, everything is basically still good on it, which is awesome. I'm glad it's just misfires. I'm hoping it's just coil packs, like I said before. Luckily, I am off work the next 2 days, so I'm good on that part. And coil packs are pretty easy to do, but they're kind of expensive, so that's gonna suck. But oh well. Oh man, this sucks. But oh well. I don't care that much. I can just solve it. I can fix it. Everything is fixable, you know. Yeah, you guys gotta stay tuned for Midnight Madness videos that should be coming out pretty soon. It's mainly a bunch of drifting, but I also did an edit as well, which I'm just gonna merge the two like I did with STL Filthy Fitment and drifting. This one is just Midnight Madness, which is pretty sick. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.